Welcome, welcome, welcome. Please tell them to join. Tell them to join.
Yeah, please join. Please do join.
Oh, it's very black too. But my absolute is not showing.
Yeah, I, I don't know.
Can you join, please?
Mm,
Yes, I haven't told your friends to join.
yeah, I'm
They
telling
can
them to
just raise
join.
when they.
Yeah, like, am I going to use? Am I going to use? Yeah, which link? Can you send me the link for them to join? Because is it the same link on our platform?
Please check if is they'll just go to our platform and they will see the link.
Yeah. All right.
Have you checked it? It's looking somehow
Yeah,
in it.
is this like is this better? Or I think I love my eyes.
Wear the glasses. Look serious. I don't know.
It's true.
Okay. Let's wait for others to join. I guess.
Yeah.
Wait for what's up.
Like, isn't it?
Is it Gucci? Okay. Can
Yeah,
you hear me now?
can you hear
Can
me
you hear me
now?
now? Please use earpiece, please. Um. Can you hear me, Casey?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly. Can you hear me clearly?
All right. Great.
All right.
Um. Please, if you can hear us, kindly just comment that you can hear us so that we can start. All right. Great. Great. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, guys. Casey, you look like Danish. Inside joke.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Okay. All right. It's so great to be here. I'm still going to give we are going to wait for others to join, and please share this link to your friends. Let them join and connect to this event. We are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff awaiting us, so we need you all to
Yeah. It's
invite
going
your
to be a lot on
friends.
time.
Yeah, invite your enemies so that really want to make this event.
Yeah. You
Yeah,
have
so
to love your enemies.
yeah, so it's very important for everybody to come online and join this wonderful event.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. That's great. Um,
Yeah,
okay. We are waiting. Please send the link out. Send it to someone. Send it. Share it on your stories on all your platforms. Spread the word. Let everybody join this event. All right.
so this is the part we need you guys to bring more people, okay? Because it's going to be
Yeah.
exciting. Yeah, so
It's going to be
this
a
like
lovely time. It's not going
is
to be
like
boring.
never.
Trust me. Case is here.
Trust me.
All right. The numbers are decreasing. I think they're going to go and share the link, Sha. But
All right,
let's give them some time so
sure,
that we can get more people and they can join the live when we are actually starting.
exactly.
Right. Then I'm like, okay. So Casey, how are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm very fine. It's been today I've been very exciting and thank God for today. So I believe that I don't know. I woke up very early in the morning and I saw that my bed was very special.
Mm,
Yeah, so
okay.
I expect great things today, believing that whenever we wake up in the morning, we just have to believe that the day is going to be very awesome for us. Putting every positive thinking in mind, not having negative thoughts, and as we say, the mindset determines who we are. So as I woke up in good faith, believing that today will be awesome, so shall it be.
That's
So that's
great.
really
That's
went today.
awesome. That's good to know. I can read the comments. Everyone is excited to be here. I'm also excited to be here. I mean, this live event has been so much anticipated, like so much, and I'm really glad that everyone could actually make it here. But the numbers are still not encouraging. Everyone has to be a part of this. There are so much that we have to learn and unlearn today. I myself also will also be learning, and I just hope that everyone pay rapt attention, and please, I'm emphasizing, invite your friends. Invite your friends. It will really help them in the nearest future. It will really help them. Please invite your friends. All right. I'm expecting us to start soon. We are still waiting for people. We are still waiting for people. Yeah. So, Casey, tell me, what are your expectations for this event? Like, what are your
Yeah,
expectations?
yeah. My expectations are having making people to understand the reason why we have this um, this word called artificial intelligence to expose people to people of really ignorance about AI, to educate them and to allow them know that okay, AI is not really that bad, you understand, and to have the knowledge that yeah, that AI is the future. You know what I'm trying to say, so that people they just prepare themselves in one way or the other to know whether AI is good for them or whether AI is it, and to just have the ability for them to sharpen up their sword in case of if AI can
Mm-hmm.
take their jobs and other stuff, for them to know that it's very important that it's a good reason for everyone to just know that AI is there and is here to stay. So as we go on, my expectations are for people to be self-aware about the word artificial intelligence.
That's awesome. Also, my expectation for this event is to really learn and also share my knowledge concerning where this artificial intelligence world is evolving into, right? Okay, now we are going to be starting. Who is excited? The
Yeah,
numbers are not yet encouraging. Please share the link everywhere, to your friends, in their DMs, to your statuses, to everywhere. Please share the link. um I look forward to, and also like this live event. Liking it will also boost it and encourage other people to join, right? Please
sure.
like it also as you join, and encourage for your friends to join too. Good to know. We are excited. Good to see your comments. Keep the
Exactly.
comments coming. Keep the
Yeah, keep them
comments coming,
open.
right?
Share the link
Um
is very important.
yeah, share the link. The numbers are decreasing. I am not okay. I just hope that we are leaving to share the links, right? And we will be back. All right.
Yeah,
So I think without further ado, let's start. Okay, good evening everyone. Depending on your time zone, but it's evening over here. So good evening. My name is Joanna Sapo, and as you all know me, the brand manager, also the face of Absolute. And having with me here is Casey Blossom. Welcome. It's a privilege to have you here,
yeah. Thank you very
Casey.
much.
You know, we were supposed to have a speaker here, and due to unforeseen circumstances, he couldn't make it. So we now have another expert in AI amongst us. And guess what? He's actually a part of the Absolute team. As you can see, he's one of our top creators and is well versed in AI. I mean, we used to call him the drone guy. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Anyways, so we are so excited to be here. We are elated to be here. And moving forward, I just want to encourage you, everyone here, that as we go ahead in this live event, we should comment. If you have any questions whatsoever, comment them. We are going to see them and we are going to answer those questions in due time. So, moving forward, I'm going to, having known me, of course, and our speaker, um, I'm going to move forward to introduce today's topic.
Hearing.
As you all know, AI and the future of work, right? But in another sense, it's basically AI and the future of work simplified. This in this event, we're not going to be giving you what's it called, um the big English of AI or the hard grammar. Is going to be breaking down for you guys to understand, and also it's promised to be very very enlightening. So, like I said before, share the link if you haven't done so and connect to this event. All right. We all know the world is evolving and artificial intelligence has actually been changing. It has been creating um controversies all over the world currently, and we Absolute, we aim to help you understand it and how to make it better for you, and that's why we exist to serve you. So now I'm going to be calling Casey to help us break down a bit and give us a little bit introduction on what AI means. All right. So Casey, over
All
to
right.
you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Joanne. Thanks for the introduction. All right. I believe you all can hear me. So it's very simple because I am aware that it's not everybody here that might have the knowledge about AI. I wouldn't be surprised that most of us here are kind of ignorant about AI. So I'm going to break it down in a very simple format so that we'll not have any glitch in understanding it. All right, in the name terms, I believe that you all have seen the robots, if I'm correct. You all know about robots, stuff that does things using machines and stuff to work or to help man.
Yeah.
Artificial intelligence is simply means just I'm going to use robots to illustrate things so that it will be more understandable. All right. Okay. For example, you want to drive yourself from a place to another. We have intelligence can make it easier for you to like using machine learning, using weak AI, using algorithms and mathematical functions to decipher the information you want the AI to do. And AI
Yeah.
just simply means the ability for a machine to perform a task given a proof instruction. You get what I'm trying to say? To move things, to do things for man, to make life easy for us around us, and it's also something that we welcome because it's very, very important. So, based on everything, we have, like I said, we have things that we can attribute to define AI. AI is a system where they can learn, they can reason, and they can solve problems very easy. Artificial
Yeah.
intelligence can learn, they can reason, and they can solve problems. All right. For example, if you ask a car to move to a particular zone, for example, we have this model Tesla, and Tesla Motors they have this edge that whenever they see something disruptive on the road while driving, they have the ability for them to move away from danger. knowing for the fact that if they
Yes.
move there, they're going to cause, going to result to accidents. Am I correct?
Yes.
So those things are called machine learning. They know that if I go there, I and the person, all right, the person which is us, you understand, going to result to fatal accidents. And we have AI can also reason. They can reason a lot because before the car to know that they are going to embark on a very embark in danger, they know that, oh, they have to reason that, okay, if I stop, it will prevent accidents. But if I move, the car is going to be demolished. So that's
Yes.
that that the point whereby the AI can reason, can know whether it's right or wrong, whether I should move or not to move. It's called reasoning. You understand? Now, solving the problem is when the AI knows that, okay, the final solution for me is to halt, is to stop, so that I
Yes.
will not hit the what? The next vehicle
Yes.
coming,
Can
or
I come in a bit?
all right, sure, please come
Before you
in.
go on, I just want to chip in that it's actually fascinating. Like the old you mentioned Tesla, right, and the
Yeah,
machine learning and the whole stuff about it, right?
yeah,
And imagine it's actually really fascinating. Okay, it's actually really fascinating to know that to actually know that okay, I can actually sleep while this car is driving itself and I get to my destination without harm. Like it's really really fascinating. That's one thing I love about AI. It makes us more productive while doing less. So that's what I want to actually chip in. And actually I feel like we should focus more on the software part of AI and how it has actually helped us, the capabilities and how it has actually helped us in the long run. In Absolute, like most of the content I create about AI that can actually help you do a lot of things that you never thought you can do. Imagine starting from the one of the most popular software AI, that's ChatGPT. ChatGPT has actually helped us in a long way. I mean, now people can actually sometimes I'll be like, how do we do this here? All my friends just be like, ask ChatGPT. Like, how do we do this? So like, ask ChatGPT. I mean, like AI is really, really so cool, and I'm so glad that I'm actually involved one way or the other. If you are not using AI, I
a
don't
long thing.
know, but it will definitely make life easier. So, Casey, you can
Exactly.
go on.
Yeah, so Michibi Wash said she's actually right that that's based on ChatGPT efforts in that aspect of for those into writing, into in short anything you ask ChatGPT to help you. I think it will surely give you an option, and when you don't like the option, it will still give you more options for you to choose. At least you can still look at, oh, at least I can still go with this, I can still go with that. So ChatGPT is also a great example on how AI is
Yes,
awesome. And we talk about how AI can actually maybe take your jobs. For example, we have AI is so versatile that it's almost everywhere. You can meet AI in your
yes,
kitchen. Yeah, AI is in your kitchen. AI can be in your
yeah,
farm. Your farm. I'm real serious. AI can be in your farm. AI is on the air. AI is everywhere
yes.
around you. But you
It's
don't just
literally
know.
everywhere.
Yeah, you don't know. Like for example, this.
Like, sorry to cut you short. There's
Yeah,
one spooky part. I don't know if it's just me. If it has actually happened to you, you can comment. You can tell us in the comments. Like you will be talking about something, and then you start seeing it on Google or Instagram or Facebook. Like you be like, I need to do this. I need to buy a shoe, and then you start seeing ads on Instagram about shoes, and you be like, are you kidding me? What is actually going on? If it has happened to you, you can just let us know in the comments. Like it would be like, is someone listening to me somewhere?
yeah,
Like it's something so spooky. Like
Yeah.
sometimes it can be very, very spooky. That's one thing that I've noticed. And there is nothing anybody can tell me that is not artificial intelligence, because sometimes people used to be like AI is witchcraft and da, 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 da. But I don't feel it is. I just feel like it is so intelligent, like
Yeah.
way beyond human reasoning. I
There's a
saw
reason. Yeah.
an Instagram reel. I saw an Instagram reel. It's very, very funny, right? And someone said he was sneezing. He did not say anything. He was sneezing, and guess what he saw when he went on YouTube? Guess what he saw when he went on YouTube?
What did
It
you
was
say?
a video of someone, like a YouTube video on how to control sneezing.
What? Are you serious?
To be honest, I was like, God, seriously. And it's okay. Like someone said, sometimes you don't feel safe, and it's actually logical not to feel safe. I mean, it's human not to feel safe.
Yeah.
So we're actually going to be discussing about the pros and cons of actually artificial intelligence. Anyways, yeah, Casey, you can continue what you are saying.
Yeah, so actually, maybe you look as if AI is reading our conscience, like knowing what we want to do, what we want to perform. All this is our algorithm, and they have this intelligent ability to just know what we really want. But actually, if I can cheat with you that, what I understand is that AI knows, is learning. Like I said, AI learn. It knows what you are typing. It knows what you do go for every day. Like for example, now I want to chat about. I love talking, like I love searching about top tech in the world, like latest inventions and stuff like that. So whenever I want to type, all of a sudden I'll just see latest cars, latest mouse, latest
Yeah,
computer. I'll be like, how did AI know that I want to search for this?
I
You
don't
understand?
know.
So it's just all about learning. AI learn. AI understands. Okay, I believe that you might want to search for that, knowing that okay, this is
Yes,
what you go for. If you are into tennis, if you love tennis, your hobbies will show why on your phone because you watching tennis, you searching about the best tennis. You know I'm trying to say.
yes,
AI will show you say about how to plant a corn. It's not possible. So it has this ability to learn and know what you might want to search. It's just a probability that okay, you might need this, you might need that. You get what I'm trying to say. So
yeah.
that's
All
also that's
right.
also a part.
All right,
Yeah,
thank you very much, Casey. So now we are going to be moving on the effect of AI on the job market. So now we are
yeah.
delving into the topic of the day. So I want you to start by talking about instances on how this AI have actually transformed or destroyed industries in the whole world. Like you can, like for instance, I know of different industries that actually create AI. I mean, Google right now is Google right now is not where it used to be. I mean, they've had previous field projects, but right now
Yeah.
they've actually been setting the pace, and this have been as a result of the inclusion of artificial intelligence in their work. So, what instances can you give of AI in the job market, be it the bad effect or the good effect in today's world?
All right. Is really a concern. All right. It's really a concern that we have to take seriously. It's really a concern, and we now AI is into automated search and everything, and we all have to be very careful in what we are going to experience in the nearest future. Like from now to 2030, AI might take over our jobs. You understand? Like when we talk
Can it
about,
do? Can it?
yeah, it can. Yeah, in time will come, you hear companies saying, oh,
we are done with humans. We have AI
Yeah,
now. You
I
understand?
mean,
Uh, yeah, no,
true.
talking about customer services, talking about banking and accounting, talking about salespeople, talking about warehouse, talking about insurance, talking about retails, and so on and so forth. So if you notice now, I love you giving examples so that we all have to just follow, because in this example, we believe that each of us have had experiences on this. All right.
Yes,
When you go to some application now, you might just want to talk to the customer care. What will pop up? An automated a chatbot. Am I correct?
yes,
Normally before is people like us that have
yes.
flesh that we
You
want
have to
to like
call them.
communicate. Yeah, or we have to message them. Then we have to wait till
Yes,
they like answer us. But now it's automated. And what you really want, the chatbot might not give you 100% response or 100% satisfaction, but at least it is still better, because one, you're not paying it. It will still answer your question one way or the other, or to direct you to the main customer services. But now, what if I tell you that it should have been someone, it could have been someone that is meant to be there to answer that query for you, but now it's a robot. So
yeah,
yeah.
and it's
So that
faster.
is yeah. So that's where that's what
Hmm.
we have to look out for. That's what we have
Like,
to
can
look
I
out for.
come in there?
Yeah, please do.
I had I had an example today. Um, so I had issues with a bank transaction, and before it's just to like you type in a number, call, and
Yeah,
the voice will just direct you to it. But now the AI chat will tell you to choose A, B, C, or D, and then it will now like tell you to, see, there are still some people though. I've heard of them, like they feel like they don't trust the chatbot to give for you to give them like a particular
yeah,
information before, and seriously, one thing I've noticed is that the use of these chatbots has actually helped in transforming like the customer care service, in the sense that it is faster. People don't have to complain at all, but it has replaced customer service representative of their jobs.
exactly.
I mean, and I saw some comments now concerning the AI. He said, why will you employ 100 people when you can actually employ 10 people using
Yeah,
AI? So that means that AI might not take your job, like I do say, but the person using AI will, right?
yeah,
AI might not take your
yeah,
job, but the person using AI will. And
yeah.
that's why it is very, very important not to snooze. Like, I don't want to use the Gen Z slang, but if you snooze, people using AI will go ahead of you. People using AI,
True.
like some people, like for instance, I made a video on our Instagram, um an Instagram reel concerning this WhatsApp chatbot. Now
Yeah,
you don't even have to go through the stress of going online. You just
yeah,
have to chat. Please, what is this? Like, how can I do this? And then you
yeah,
get the reply as fast as possible. How cool is that? Now, you the last video, I think the last video we made has made you say that AI can actually generate a course for you. And that's actually
yeah,
taking a job of a tutor. All those people selling
yeah.
online courses, they might run out of market because of this. So that's one of the effects I feel AI has on our jobs generally. You
Yeah.
can go on. That's what I wanted
Yeah,
to
that's
say
true.
concerning.
That's true. That's true. That's true. That's a fact that we all have to know that. Yeah. Those little things that maybe we are like looking taking for granted, or we feel like, oh, it's just that, but those things can be updated, can be better. All right. What if I tell you that now we are just practicing how AI is going to just really take over the jobs really? So it is just like 1.0. We have not seen 2.0. We haven't seen 5.0. You
Yes,
understand?
we've not
So this
seen
just
nothing yet.
we are just in the testing grounds to know how it's possible. And humans, we can never stop until we hit the target. No, we can never
Of
stop until
course,
we hit the target.
of course.
So that's why we just have to, yeah, we just have to ends up, and like you said, if you snooze, you lose. So all other stuff apart from chatbots, apart from automated messages or other stuff, ChatGPT is also something we have to look at for. All right, ChatGPT is something you have to look at for, because if I'm a writer, or if I employed a writer, now ChatGPT can be able to write for me. You understand?
Yeah,
Chat ChatGPT can help me summarize 1,000 billion words into five five words. You understand? It has the ability to comprehend. It has the ability to
ChatGPT is so
stabilize.
smart.
It's so smart. So, and we all know that. I think we all know that that's just the tip of the iceberg. More are still coming.
Yeah,
Yeah, and even
and
if we can check it out, yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Sorry, I want to come in that. One thing I noticed is that these AI tools are actually competing against each other. If you've noticed, if you've been following our Instagram trends and the tools we
yeah,
talk about, you will see that there are some that claim that they're actually way better than ChatGPT. That means
yeah.
ChatGPT has actually been setting the pace in that aspect. And
True.
one thing I want to even add is that ChatGPT is great, but they it's actually limited. The ChatGPT we use without subscription is actually limited. Anyways, I just
Yeah,
want to chip in that one of our giveaway prize is a 3 month ChatGPT subscription. So make sure you stay tuned to win it. Anyways,
yeah,
so the ChatGPT free premium is way better. It has so many features that these limited ChatGPT have like it actually helps. But I don't know if you've noticed, if you ask it a lot, especially within the hour, there's going to be a time where it will say load failed, right? And
true.
it's not that really helping. Then there's this part of Jasper AI. Jasper AI is now basically for creatives, people that are in the creative industry, the tech bros, the writers, the marketers. If they want to generate copy, right?
Yeah,
Those
true.
tools too can actually imagine you're a business owner, and there were times that you actually really need a copywriter. Maybe your business is actually not as huge, but it's still like a substantial business, and you can't
Yeah,
do it on your own. You hire a copywriter. But now we have copywriting tools, right? We have
true.
copywriting tools. So those are some of the adverse effects of AI. Moving forward, I would like us to talk about the good part. There's like a balance to it.
True.
The good part of AI. I know that AI
Yeah,
is a user might take
yeah,
people that are actually yeah. Someone said there's Google bad. I mean, that's what I'm trying to say. Google has actually incorporated, like, those ones are not really behind at all. Like, they are always ahead. That's why they are actually moving forward. Google
yeah,
has brought out a lot of tools for us, and AI actually has positive effects on our jobs too. AI actually have positive effects on our jobs. So I would like us to talk about some positive effects of our jobs. For instance, for a social media manager, for instance, now for a social media manager, AI. Okay, let's use ChatGPT. ChatGPT have been known to help a social media manager generate comprehensive content calendar. Now, a wise social media manager can actually humanize that
Yeah.
calendar, in terms of you don't just consume or just take it and use it like that, of course. No, but it will help, it will actually help you. Then now it is you that can actually now make it, humanize it in that aspect, that okay, let me edit it a bit. So
Yeah.
one thing I know about AI is ai cannot just AI cannot just tell you everything, right? It cannot tell you everything, but it can actually help you make your job easier. Instead of you thinking of ideas, okay, now you have the ideas, right? But it will actually help you. It will actually help you in that sense, inculcate those ideas and make it your own, make it more creative, and then
True.
you excel with your business. It will even like ChatGPT. I'm not gonna like ChatGPT has helped me a lot, a whole lot.
True.
But I don't take I don't take all the information that was given to me by ChatGPT like word for word. No,
True.
if you know what you are doing, you will use this to make you like ahead of your mates. But don't let it define you. Don't just rely fully on those tools. You can use it as a guide, you can use it to improve yourself. But I would advise that you should not let it be like you can't do without it anymore. I'm not saying that we should do without AI. AI is here to stay. But what I'm trying to say is that you should use it as a stepping stone. You should use it as a
True.
ladder to get to the heights you want to achieve. So let's
Yeah.
talk about some positive effects you've encountered using AI.
All right. On my own side, if AI, I'll give you example. Okay, I have so many examples. Okay, so many
Okay.
examples. Okay, so I remember when I wanted to maybe design a particular art. All right. I wanted to design something or to create something or model something. So it was kind of easy for me to ask but out of easy for me to ask lexica. I think we did a video on lexica art, if I'm correct. So that software gives you the ability for you to write your prompts. Once you write, okay, give me an idea on how to create a drone, all right, or how to create a car or new inventions on how to create anything you want to create. Trust me. So Lexical Art is a web software that gives you the ability for you to bring your imagination to life, okay, and
Mm.
even make it better. Yeah, to
You
make it
said
better.
lexical art.
Yeah, Lexical Art. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So Lexica.
Wow.
So it gives the ability for you to write your prompt, and once you do that, it will what generate what you really want, or even better.
Mm.
You understand, or even better. And another example of AI, your WhatsApp. I love these examples. I'm using layman examples so that we all need to
The
follow up.
one we
All
can
right,
relate
so
to.
yeah, yeah. So I believe everyone here uses WhatsApp. Yeah, especially business WhatsApp. So that business WhatsApp, I'm very sure you are not always online 24/7, if I'm correct, right? So
Yeah.
whenever a client chats you up and maybe you're not online to respond, if you notice, a message will pop up telling you who you are and what you want, and to give you the patience for you to what hold on till you reply the person. It can be 1 hour later, or any time you get back to your phone, you give the person the relaxation that yes, okay, I believe that he got my message. So AI is always available 24/7, or like we humans. So and again, the ability for it not to create errors.
Mm.
Yeah, that is also something
Yes.
like we need to look out for, because the algorithm is so superb that it can just make everything look perfect. All right, at least we can give it 98% over 100. Get what I'm trying to say? For example, um, if I want to like perform a plan, or I want to like
Okay.
do something based on accuracy and stuff. At least, for example, okay, let me use our Google, our Google AI. That is we use is it Bixby? Okay, Bixby for Samsung. A Google. If you know about a Google, that is Google AI, Google chatbot or Google personal assistant. I don't know how you people call it. Okay, but that is Google
Okay.
assistant. All right.
Yeah, Google Assistant. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, Google Assistant. So whenever you say a Google, I want you to set a time reminder by 7 o'clock. All right,
Okay.
exactly seven. Your phone will ring, and Google AI will tell you, okay, you set a reminder by 7, saying you want to sleep. You understand? And you as a human, I'm very sure you have forgotten that by 7 you wanted to sleep, or you wanted to do something very important.
Yeah.
But having the ability that the AI can give you the accuracy that by 7 it will give you that time that, oh man,
Yeah.
you have to
Even
walk
Google
or you have to
Assistant.
fly. Exactly, Google Assistant with Siri, Bixby, Alexa. So all
Alexa.
those,
Yeah.
yeah. So all those assistants are also accurate in giving us the the time and the efficiency we need from them. So that are examples of how AI
Oh,
has been
okay.
so helpful for us. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Speaking personally, I think I remember I created a video about starting a business from scratch using AI.
Yeah, I remember it.
You can actually go to our Instagram page to look at it. Actually, starting a business from scratch. Let me just give you a recap. You don't have an idea of business name safe. You go to naming magic AI. It's going to generate a name for you. Then
Yeah,
there you go to what's it called? You can use Mid Journey. You can use other image
Ronaldo.
generation, yeah, to
Exactly.
generate a logo for your brand. You just
Yeah.
describe it and it's going to generate it for you, right? After that, okay, you have a logo, you have a name. Then there is this what's it called? Is it Pixel AI or something? It helps you animate your logo. You know when you are launching a brand and all those logo animation and all, do you know like people
Yeah.
pay good money for that?
True.
But then an AI can actually help you do that, right?
True.
And then you don't go through the process of creating um a whole brand voice using numerous AI tools. That can actually be very, very helpful. If you go on YouTube, you'll see how I built a successful six-figure business using ChatGPT. How I did this, how I make money using Midjourney. I think in the US they sell storybooks, right? And
Yeah.
ChatGPT will generate the storybook. Is that like ebooks, basically for kids and preteens. They'll use the ebook, they'll use the ebook, and put it on a website, and people buy. People literally buy, and this is
Exactly.
something you created with zero stress. You just tell the chat GPT, um okay, because there's how I ask ChatGPT questions. I don't just now if you understand how ChatGPT works, you will just type in prompts. I think we created a video on that on our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
You will just
We
type
have.
in generate a story ebook for me that talks about siblings and all. No, how I do it is you're a storyteller and you're about to
Yeah.
generate a book for money or something like that. Tell it like you're an expert. Let
Yeah.
it know that you're an expert. So if you tell ChatGPT that you're an expert, it will actually give you more quality content in the sense that okay, it's going to talk like an expert. So next time when we are actually um, writing prompts,
Yeah,
for
generating prompts. Yeah.
any AI chatbot. Let's
Sure.
be specific. Let's tell ChatGPT like, okay, you are this and you want to do this. I'll be like, there was an Instagram post that actually blew my mind. The way this guy asks ChatGPT questions is insane. Okay, he said, I'm about to I'm about to ask you to do something concerning my business, but
Okay.
I don't know what to ask you. So I would want you to suggest several questions to me so that I will answer them. Then you can now tell me what it is. Like, first, ChatGPT will now generate the questions for him
For your
to.
answer.
Yes, so you now answer, okay, what is the name of your brand? How does your brand this like that?
Yeah.
It ask, yeah, it answered the name, the whole question. So after
Yeah.
giving ChatGPT the full knowledge of what's going on and what the brand is about, that actually helped him tell the ChatGPT what exactly it wants, and it was so detailed that it was like someone used like human intelligence, but then this was
Yeah.
just basically artificial intelligence. So
Intelligence.
it's not basically who is it's not about the tool mostly, it's about who is using the tool, right? So
Yeah.
those are some of the um amazing advantages
And
of
of
using
AI.
AI. Now we are still going to go to the to the cons, the side effects. I know we spoke about it earlier, but I don't think we were able to go in depth about it. I mean, I saw a comment. Someone said they don't feel safe when it comes to AI.
AI will take us
So
away to Mars.
yeah, I mean, there is how we can actually mitigate it. The world is evolving. The world is evolving.
Yeah,
Actually, the
and we
world
have
is
to evolve with
actually
it too.
evolving, and
Yeah.
we have to evolve too. That is why we have
Yeah.
Absolute. Absolute is going
Mm.
to help you through that journey. So I would advise you that if you are part of us, welcome home, and I hope you are
Yeah.
here to stay because we are going to take you on a journey that you would never regret. You'll be very very proud to be a part of. So
Exactly.
now, moving on to one of the adverse effects. I don't know if you anyone heard this news. I don't know if anyone heard this news. Some people use AI to mimic the voice of a relative and fake their kidnapping.
Yeah.
I was I was astounded. Like, I was livid when I found out. I was like, what? People actually do this? These tools are meant to make us better, but people actually
Yeah.
misuse it. And we are is humans, so we don't expect everyone to use it for good. So imagine now people are saying that you and your family should have a safe word or a particular word that when you call you'll be able to ask, because they literally it sounded like her daughter. They said the daughter is kidnapped. The daughter said she was kidnapped. The daughter was crying and
Hmm.
said you should send $5 million. This
Are
is
you
a daughter of
serious?
a celebrity, and the celebrity's daughter is at home sleeping.
Are you
So
serious?
yes, and to be honest, it was I was I didn't know what to say. So she actually said it in a talk show that please let's involve your family members. You guys should have a particular word no one knows, so that when stuff situations like that come up, you'll be able to know what to do. She almost sent the money. She just decided to call home because she was shaky. She decided to call home and she found out that her daughter is safe and sound, that someone was just trying to extort her. So that's one of the adverse effects of AI. To be honest, that's one of the
Yeah.
adverse effects of AI. So do you have any other examples you've heard of or you've encountered when it comes to AI?
Yeah. This is very common. AI will make you lazy. All right.
Actually, or the
Actually,
less
if
creative.
yeah, I'm just being realistic. If I have everything, okay, I can ask my window to open. I can ask my AI cleaner to clean, sweep the floor. I can ask my arm robots to bring me coffee, or I can ask Alexa to play me music, change the channel, to like, in short, they'll do all manner of things in the house. I promise you, I won't leave my bed. I'm going to stay in my
Yes.
bed all day. All right. So AI makes you lazy, and also AI. Remember, AI does not have any emotion. All
Yes.
right. So
Sorry, I remember
I
something. Sorry, I remember something. There was one time I was sad,
all
and
right.
I told ChatGPT that I was sad.
Don't
That
tell
should
me.
make
Don't
me
tell me
happy.
what you wrote. Those. Oh God.
You need to see the dry jokes ChatGPT brought up. I was like, what is this? I said I was sad. He was not like, I am an AI chatbot with no emotions.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I know I can be dramatic sometimes, but
Yeah, it's but yeah, you're trying to test the limit of it, so it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. So that is actually nice, and so many other so many other stuff like I said, emotions makes you lazy, and other risks I think AI might come off is the ability for it to um I feel is a sign of danger, right? The sign of danger. Like your illustration sounds like it's calm, all right? So AI, people use AI to scam people, and
yes.
is
So
yeah,
people
it's
still
really
ask me.
yeah,
So people still ask me that can you create a tool where you can change somebody's face? Like, can you tell
yeah.
me a tool I can use to change somebody's face?
Truly, like I have a story to share. I saw a status of young guys using AI to mimic someone, like you said, like having the insane, wonderful, and adequate voice. Oh my god. Like the person bought the idea to use, like, wow, that's a really great accusation. Now if you watch the last, I think last month we had a recent photo of Elon Musk dancing with a robot girl. Yeah, if you notice that. So
Yeah.
majority of the world believed that photo. You understand? We have deep fakes. You make it look as if they are the one, but they aren't. You understand? They aren't. So that is something we should watch out for. I think the right now we have I think it's on Bing. When AI, or yeah, I remember Photoshop. Photoshop now is
Yeah.
defined with AI.
Yes, they
Yeah,
use AI. It's so
yeah. So
easy.
it's so easy for you to decipher whether this is a fake or this is real. So I
To be
think
honest.
exactly. So I feel they made a great research on that to provide the solution for us to know whether those stuff are real or fake. So that's what we have to look out for. So it's not everything we see that's real. All right, it's
Yeah.
not everything we see that's real. So we have to be very careful. So that's why
To be honest.
the newbies in AI, we just need to go on and know more about this thing so that we'll not fall victims.
To be honest, yes. Do you actually know that you can even create your own AI tool now? For instance, for instance, when there was a time I was researching, of course, I always research
Yeah, I
to
trust you.
help our audience and give them new tools and or to help them for, and it's especially like when I get asked a question. So I tend to
Yeah,
research very well to find out the right tool. I don't just check all the any AI. I take the time to research all the AI tools needed, right? So
yeah,
I came across an AI, and this this AI was for when you apply for a job and you
yeah,
use AI. you use AI for your resume. Do you know there are some companies that still catch you?
Are you
If you don't
serious?
know, yes, update.
Okay.
If you don't know, know now. So I had to create a content on,
Yeah.
seriously, AI is filled with solutions in a way though.
True.
Imagine you might be qualified for that job, but you just wanted your resume to be more touche. So you just have to use all those, top notch English ChatGPT generates,
Yeah.
right? And then use it on your CV. You didn't even edit it, you didn't even make it, I don't know,
You
you.
just send like that.
And then I saw a tweet that 45% of people that apply for the job is using AI in their resume.
AI.
And I'm
Yeah.
like, people actually have tools to check out for that thing. And I found out that there is now an AI tool that can humanize those write-ups generated by AI tools.
Wow. That is interesting. Very interesting.
Like, can you
Oh my
imagine?
God.
I found out that those there are AI tools that can actually humanize the write-ups that are generated by AI too. It will show you where you got it from. Maybe it's Jasper AI, maybe it's Loom AI, maybe it's any other AI chatbot,
True.
and they will tell you that
True.
you now click on humanize.
Wow. That is so
Seriously, I was
fascinating.
I was wild, to be honest. I actually created a content on that to show you how we can actually do it. But there was one thing you said: AI can make you lazy.
Yeah.
The fact that,
It will
yeah,
definitely.
to be
Definitely. It will.
honest, AI can make it like I saw it um I saw a video on Instagram, and it it said it stated that I asked AI to take care of, like, to figure out my day for me. It should just control how my day went. So
Yeah.
anything the AI said, that was what it did. Imagine if you don't feel like doing anything, and you can just ask AI, okay, what should I do today? You don't want to think, you don't want to do. I mean,
Do
sometimes
anything.
AI can
Yeah.
make us robots like them.
Yeah. You make them control
Yeah.
you.
So yeah, so I think it is time to let any of our, if you are interested to join this conversation, to come live with us, a link will be sent to you, so you can join us live and tell us about your views about AI.
Yeah.
Tell us of your views about. So the ground is open, the invitation is open. So please, and don't forget to like this. Don't forget to like this live video. It will help us reach other people, right? I hope you've been getting insights so far. I hope you've been getting insights so far. So now this is the opportunity to join us and tell us your experiences about using AI, be it in your job or the marketplace. Are you a business owner? How has AI impacted your life
Yeah.
or truncated it? Please, the floor is open. The
Yeah.
floor is
It's like
open.
open for.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I won't say AI can make us lazy. It makes yes, I'm just saying that it is not
Can I throw more light?
everyone.
Can I throw more light? Can I throw more light? All
Yes,
right.
yes.
All right. So um I'm in a big mansion. I don't have AI normally. I don't have AI. For example, I'm in a big mansion, and um you cannot have a big house when you will not have people or maidens that will help you work to sweep the compounds, to maybe dust the chairs, the sofas, to clean the TV, to run errands for you. It's just like you replacing those humans with AI. So instead of you to shout, for example, we have let's use a name, Jane. Jane, go and maybe sweep the compound, or Jane, go and dust the TV, go and clean the sofas. Why do we need Jane? We don't need Jane anymore.
Actually,
Like, we don't need Jane. So we have AI to do all these things. I bet you will not leave your bed. It's so fascinating that I've been in the environment where the gate will open. I don't need to come down from my car. Laziness means I can't come down from my car. I'll just tell the gate open. That is
I
part of the
mean,
that you have started it already. You have started
yes.
it already. So when you're in your
So
car,
to be honest,
yeah, you
to be
set the
honest,
gate open.
AI can make things better for us, but at the
Yeah,
same time, AI can also AI
make
can
you lazy.
also make us lazy.
Yeah, it's a
To
fact.
be
It's a
honest,
fact. Like at least
if you
78%
depend too much on
of
AI,
people
you don't want to think. You will
at
not
all.
want to think if it depends so much. You see, this thing is easy. Like I don't know if you don't like. Do you guys understand how privileged we are to have AI prominent among us? In the sense that you can actually just ask anything and
Yeah,
then you
just
get the
ask.
answer. Give so please, please, to if you want to join us, the link will be sent on Telegram. If you're in our Telegram channel, you want to join us live, the link is has been sent on Telegram, so you can join us live and tell us your experiences. I mean, how AI has helped you a lot, or how AI has shown you shaggy.
Yeah.
You can
Then
tell
you
us.
just have yeah, you just have to,
You can also
yeah,
ask
thank you.
questions for why you come on live here.
True. I you
So
just have
I'll be waiting for your request. I'll be
I
waiting
just
for
have
your
you know that.
request.
All right, thank you, Joanne. So
Yeah,
we want you all
we've
to
spent
come.
a lot of time already, and we
Uh,
just want to, and you can actually access the link here on YouTube. So we are now open to questions and answers concerning AI. Do you have any question you want to do you want do you have any questions you want to but I'll also ask questions, and the right answer will be one of our lucky winners.
oh
Are
yes,
you ready?
oh yes.
Are
It
you
can be you. It
ready?
can be you. So I would love any one of you that have the
So
answer to
if
get
if
the
I
prize.
if I ask a question, the first right answer will be one of our lucky winners. And
Oh yes,
there are
I can't wait to
so
see the
many.
person.
Yeah, the right answer that that replies would be one of the lucky winner. Yeah,
Oh yes.
so there are the lucky winner.
All right, let's find out. Let's find out.
All right, so we are waiting for your questions also. We are waiting for your questions also. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube, of course, you should subscribe now. You should subscribe now.
Subscribe now. You press the subscribe button.
Subscribe and actually follow us on all our social media platforms, be it
Yeah,
Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn. We are everywhere. Is
yeah, we're everywhere.
what have I not mentioned?
Absolute.
Twitter. Yeah,
Yeah, we're
Twitter.
Twitter. Yeah, we're
Yeah,
Twitter too.
Twitter.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Okay. Yeah. So seriously, this topic of AI is not something we really finish in one sitting, because there are so many aspects to go on. There are so many aspects to go on. I was discussing with Casey earlier today. I was discussing with Casey earlier today that all those all those so I'll use ChatGPT to answer the question. See, they want to use AI.
Yeah, if AI can answer your question, that means AI made you a lucky winner.
See, but
That's the
AI
own
cannot answer the
advantage.
question I'll ask.
Yeah, is that
Just so
one?
you know.
Yeah.
AI would answer the question. It would just be a random question, right?
All right.
Alright. Okay, so as I was saying, Casey and I were discussing, and we're talking about those days where people would take their camera with an helicopter to the sky to take all those videos, that all those cool video shots and everything. And
Yeah,
now we have a drone. We have a
Jordan.
drone. Yes, and now
Yeah.
like that's one of the prominent replacements I've ever seen using AI. To be honest, so please, we are waiting for your questions.
So
Okay.
based on yeah, so based on what you just said now, it's very interesting that we have to know that while we're on the land, AI is on the air. All right, AI is on the
AI
air, and
is everywhere.
concerning yeah, concerning the drone, yeah, you guys have to get a drone. It's very important. So concerning the drone is for farmers. yeah, performers out there. All right. So I saw a movie clip, not a movie, like they showcase the new era of a drone that can be able. The farmer can be in his house, having the drone installed with fertilizer from his house. It can
Yes,
just
yes,
measure the
AI can
land that
install
you
stuff.
want the drone to go and implant those fertilizers, or to pour out, sorry, to pour out those fertilizers on the plants that he has outside. So why the man is in his room sleeping, oh sorry, resting, but he cannot sleep while operating the drone, sorry. Why the
He's
man
not
was in his
sleeping.
room, but why the man was in his room, just relaxing, he just sent the drone to pour out those fertilizers. Oh my God, this drone flew, went up to the land that the man navigated it to, and pour out the fertilizers. How wonderful! Like how wonderful! The drone did that. The drone did that. So with that, drones now are used for cinematic movies. They can go a long range.
Yes,
Now no,
yes,
we have army military men. They use drone to perform attacks. They use drone as a weapon, yeah, to destroy terrorists and to using satellite can navigate and can view out your current location. Okay, having these wonderful ultra 8K cameras that can
yeah,
zoom in and out of a living, like out of a person. So this is so wonderful. So drones are part of an AI. They have some drones, not all drones, but those drones that can be able to navigate, those drones that can be able to respond, or that can fly on their own without you operating them. Those drones are very wonderful, and I can tag them as drones that are specifically an example of AI drones.
yeah. Okay. To be honest, that's actually one of the top. I can't. Anytime the first time I read that story, I couldn't just forget about it. Like, wow, imagine
Yeah.
how much they are
Wow.
being paid. So to enable other people to join in, so I think you would have to because it's you have to
Okay,
stand
yeah.
by. Yes,
All right.
you have to stand by from the live chat so that other people can join because it's a maximum of one person joining.
All right.
So
All right.
yeah, you can stand by so that we can allow people to come in and then we'll answer their questions.
All right. I'll see you soon.
All right, I'll see you soon. All right, so it's just me here, and I hope this live event has been very very insightful to you. So I am waiting for your request to join in now, and I really really look forward to it. I really look forward to meeting, even if it's few of you. Of course, I can't meet all of you yet, right? And I wait for I await your request and I await your questions concerning AI. And then when Casey comes back, he's going to we both are going to help answer them. So waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Also waiting for your comment. I'm waiting. Okay. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. You can join. I mean, it's let's look at it this way. We are family. Don't be shy. So you can join. Feel free to join. Feel free to join. Feel free to join. I'm waiting. Don't keep me waiting. We are all kind of. Someone has been trying to join before, but couldn't. You can join in now. You can join in now. Okay. All right. I okay. I just Just added one person. I don't know. Okay. Hi. Hi. Right? Okay, I think it's our network. I really, really look forward to meeting all of you.
Okay.
Okay, I don't think I can hear you.
Okay. So I want to share my experience with AI.
Okay, what's your experience? Alright.
Yeah. ChatGPT. I've also used
Can
Google
you be
Bard,
a bit audible, please?
and then
I can't
all
really.
you I will be saying today. I've really been learning, and
Okay. Um, because of network. Alright, she wants to share her experience. I hope she joins back. Okay, I think the network is somewhat bad. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you.
can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
I seriously can't hear you. Can you like leave and join back? Because I think it's the network. Okay. All right. Um. So I look forward to your questions, and also feel free to send a DM on Instagram if you have any questions or any requests to make a video, right? And also our winners will be announced on Instagram. So watch it out. Watch out for it. Watch out for our post. We are going to be picking some people after the event, and our giveaway winners will be announced. So don't snooze. Don't snooze. Okay. If Casey, you can join back. Casey, you can join back if there is no one joining the live event again. So we can just go on answering the questions being asked. All right. Okay, someone else wants to join. Okay. I can't I can't see you. I think I just added you. Oh, hi.
Hello. Good
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Sorry, my environment is somehow not
It's
clear,
fine. It's
but
fine.
I believe you can hear.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much for the talk, for the enlightenment. I really appreciate because it's an insightful one. Yeah, my experience so far with AI, it has been an interesting one because it really helped me because I'm a librarian and I do a
Okay.
lot of research. So I see AI as an important tool. I read through some of the comments while some people are debating on AI brought laziness, and then some are saying that it does not. Well, for me, it depends on the way you use it,
Yeah.
because even while I write, I have my personal skill that I need to add to it, a lot of things, but actually it makes my work faster. As you have said the other time that AI makes is just like a ladder that
I think your
hasten
line is breaking.
movement. So I believe that it's a very wonderful tool, but it has some limitation. It has some shortcomings. As we said the other time, that
Your
AI
line is
brought.
breaking. I think it's the network.
Okay,
Can
sorry,
you
am
hear
I
me?
clear now? Yes, I can hear
Yeah,
you.
the network is bad.
Wow. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. So I'm talking about the shortcomings of AI. I use ChatGPT, I use Bing to prepare
Okay.
presentation slides. I use
Oh, nice.
Microsoft Bag, and then I
Okay.
use Qlibot, I use Writerly, and so many other AIs like.
Wow.
So,
Wow.
so with all those tools, it really hasten my
Word.
research work. I come across one AI that you just type your variables. Once you type your variable, if it is 1001 publication that has been published online on that particular
Wow.
variable, it will bring everything. It's just a click. Once you click, it will direct you to the journal house where that paper has been published, and you can get a full
Wow.
access to the download of the this thing. So I don't need to go to Google Scholar to be downloading, paper one
Yes.
after the other. And then I can
Someone
even
is
limit
asking
my.
what's the name. Someone is asking what's the name of the AI.
I will go through my diary and bring it out. I will
All
send it
right, you
into
can
the.
just drop it in the comments. Yeah,
So it's a very good one, but it has some shortcomings. I
of
asked
course.
ChatGPT one day about something. I think it was about the civil war, something like that. I was just trying to refresh myself. You know, the ChatGPT was responding to me that I can't, it cannot give me information that is it beyond 2020 or before 2020, that it doesn't have that kind of information in its database, something like that. So I was wondering, I said, but this is one of the limitation of all these tools.
Yeah,
It is whatever
2021 actually.
you know, is garbage in, garbage out. Just like one of our the former speaker said that if you the algorithm and everything that has been used to design all these tools, they can't go beyond that. Although they learn every day from the trend of your questions, they tend to know your likes and dislikes. They tend to know your angle of interest, and so they pop up things for you that are relevant, and you think, AI is not performing magic. All that it does is that it track your search.
Information.
He tracks them and he realized that, oh, this person really have much interest in fashion, this person really have much interest in business, oh, this person really have much just like my own. If I check all my search history now in ChatGPT, you will realize that everything I've been asking is all about research and research and research. So it can bring up anything for me about recent areas that need to be researched on in my discipline. So a lot like that will be coming up. It's not that they are performing magic or something like that. all the tool, all what they does is that they track your questions and then your curiosity
Yes.
for a period of time, and then they bring suggestion for you.
Yes. That's true.
So I have
Thank
a
you.
simple question to
Okay.
ask. I also want to learn and improve myself because you are talking about an AI that humanized a
Yes.
generated AI generated content.
Yes.
I watched one YouTube video not quite long before I joined the meeting. The video was about how to humanize AI generated content so that when your research work is being subjected to maybe Turnitin or
Yeah.
um authenticate. So by the time they subject it, it will definitely bring some percentage of AI content inside your research work. So to avoid all these things, we send our publication in so many journal houses, and so they subject
Yeah.
our work to Turnitin and send and see the plagiarism level in our work before the work will
Okay.
be actually accepted or rejected. So I was watching the this thing, the one of the this thing, the output the content that was generated from the AI. The man actually copied one of the paragraph and then paste it in I think Google AI content detector. Once we just put that
Detector.
on Google, it will bring down all the AIs that does that.
Yeah.
So you click on the first this the first result, and then you paste whatever you have generated from an AI, and then by the time you paraphrase, changing one or two keywords, changing them to another synonyms and everything, paste it on AI content detector, you will realize that it will give you 0%
Yes.
AI content,
Yes. I
or
know what you're talking
or
about.
so I was now, wow, this is interesting. So when you said AI brought laziness, I would said no, because in this case you have to rework unless you are using Quillibot or other paraphrasing this thing to do your paraphrasing. But at the same time, you need to be steady with it, because looking at my own angle is a research work. You must also be careful.
Yeah.
You don't want to deliver jargons to your public, and then they'll think, which kind of author is this,
Yes.
what is it bringing to the society, things
The
like that. So
accuracy.
you have to be copying paragraph by paragraph and look at it intently very well before you, okay, is it actually conveying what I intend? Did it really
Yeah.
fit in? Is it, the paragraph flows into each other? So when you do all those things, you are not lazy. To me, that's what I'm looking at
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. There's still some work to be done, right? Even when you're using AI. Yeah. I understand. We still have. Okay. Time is not on our side. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, time is not on our side. We still have a lot of people that want to join. But we would
Okay.
like to you to share with us the AI you spoke about. You, we would like you to share with us in the comments. Can you hear
Okay, I
me?
will do that. I will do
And
that.
please, can I know your name before you leave?
I'm Mabaonku Temitope.
Okay. It's so good to have you here. Thank you for
Thank you.
joining and thank you for sharing with
Thank you.
us.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Wow, that's one of, you know that, okay, this um this person has actually utilized the power of AI to make our job easier. You still have to get the job done. You still have to put in the work. And I hope that she sent the particular AI she's talking about to the group for everyone to see. And then we can actually create a video on that to help you know how to utilize it in the best way possible. So does anybody want to join? We'll soon end the live event and we are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Any questions? We'll still have the time to do the giveaway and ask and for you to answer questions I ask. So I have a question though. Let me start with my first question. And like I said, the first correct answer, the first correct answer, it will actually determine if you've been okay, perplexity AI and C space. Wow. Yeah, I think I've heard of perplexity. I hope you got the AI. She dropped it on the group now. So I have a question, and we discussed it earlier. And the first right answer will be one of our lucky winners. Okay, what was the? I hope you guys are too fastest finger. I can feel the anxiety, like you're holding your phone. Sorry, I'm stalling. I'm stalling. Okay, number one. What is the name? Okay, someone wants to join. All right. What is the name of the speaker that joined me today? That's the question. I'm trying to add someone. I don't know. I'm trying to add someone. I don't know. It's not working. What was the name of the person that joined the speaker that joined me today? You know, I started it by saying our plant speaker was not able to make it, but we got another expert in AI and he was able to deliver. So, what was the person's name? First correct answer is one of our lucky winners. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Hi.
Hello,
Good to see you.
good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, like I said earlier, I'm elated to be part of. Why? Because
What did you say?
I am elated to be part of this. I am excited.
Yeah, I'm
And
excited to meet you too.
yes, I have had
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
a lot of things for me recently.
Okay. Okay.
You understand? And
Yeah.
it's actually something elating to know that you can have a problem solved in just a click of a button away. You understand? I have used ChatGPT to summarize like most of the books I wanted to read for the past 3 years. You understand? Have them summarize it
Yeah.
for me, then ask it to okay. The problem about this AI is we need to understand the things we need to do about them. Everybody needs to learn how to ask good questions, prompt engineering, and everybody
Yes.
needs to work on how to work on data training. You ask AI some things and they might not be able to get it. That particular AI might not be trained to answer that question. So you need to know which AI does your work for you. And there's so much AI still coming up. Like I was whitelisted for one that I got an opening today. They call it Leonardo. I did Leonardo.
Okay.
Yes, so what I do, I follow a lot of guys on Instagram, and when they list out all these AIs, AIs will do everything, but not cook food for you. There's AI that will even give you recipes, right? So
Yes.
it's a lot. It's a lot. I have looked at this whole thing, and I realized one thing. Like I wrote, I work presently. I'm at work now. You understand? We do trainings, and I realized that if I want to write like an introduction letter, if I just tell the AI what I want, everything comes out with ease. So I now use Quillbot to make sure I paraphrase it.
Mm.
You get?
Robots, yeah.
Yes, I use Quillbot. You can use Grammarly. Then you can take your time and look at these words and actually write them, because AI can break it down in such a way that, okay, let me explain something to you. Last month, I wrote a program, a software to trade forex using ChatGTP on Pine Script.
Okay.
They have all these things. Then I use it to learn stuff. I do roadmaps now. I'll just tell ChatGTP, I want to learn a particular topic like a 5-year-old, and I want you to give me a roadmap that
Mm.
will do this for me in a month or two
Wow.
months. Break it down. I only have 30 minutes a day to learn. And you see, it breaks it down for you. Day one, day two, all the topics come on. And my colleagues and my friends and people I work with are like, how do you do this? I will laugh. I will laugh. I wrote an application for a virtual assistant job this evening, and the person
Okay.
chatted me back from the UK and said, "I like the organization of your stuff.
Wow.
Do you use AI? Because I need somebody that." I
Yeah.
said, "Don't worry." You understand? Because
Yeah.
he eliminated human error, eliminated it. Are you
It's
getting it?
perfect.
Even Canva now has AI.
AI. Yes.
You understand? And my design is on Canva now. You tweak it and people like, you know, I am in Lagos presently, and you hear them will say it in Yoruba. I say, "Báwo lo ṣe ṣe? Báwo lo-" like, how do you do it? I say, relax. But I don't tell them, because at the end of the day, what I'm just trying to say is this: everybody that's interested in AI, get yourself first, get to know how to prompt, how to ask
Yes.
questions.
Know how to
The
ask questions.
questions, the questions is the trick. Ah, do you know ChatGTP? Do you know Pine Script? Yes. Okay. Be a forex trader. I want you to do a program for me that will show me so using so. You just see it come.
Yeah.
You test it. You say, you showed an error on this. Can you work on that error? It will continue. The prompts. You see, you don't need to ask it the question once. And I don't know if you know
Ah.
another one. They call it what's the name? Uh, mm, I
Did
have
you
a
write
funny
on it?
name. I know I use a lot of AI. You understand?
Jasper AI.
I use a lot of AI. So I want you guys to know that it works. Please let all of us try and be updated. It can even break down. I have practically read 20 books this month. Just
Wow.
summarize it, give me 10 important lessons from this book. As a business owner, which of the lessons is very, very solid? What are the problems? It will tell you the problems. It will tell you, okay, how can I solve this problem? It will break everything down. At the end of the day, you look at, I've told AI before, I have only $200. I want to run an online store. Help me. You understand? Some people are saying
Yeah.
it's not thinking. Thinking is not a lazy man's job. You need to really sit down and reflect, because
Yes.
the AI has a lot of books, a lot of journals, a lot of information at your fingertip. You cannot get all this information in one day. So you need to
True.
understand it. So that's I think it's a good thing. And I do wonderful designs now. Mid Journey, Leonardo, it's
Wow,
a lot of AI,
that's
a
really
lot.
nice.
Some will solve math questions for you. You understand? Some solve math questions for you. So you need to know what field you are following. I just entered one for whitelist. They will help you set up a program. But I told them I want a program on backyard farming. Everything. It's okay. I should wait the next 1 month. I'm going to be up. Do you understand? So let's understand
Yeah.
this, and really, I want everybody to just try and do it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for giving us that insight on your experience with AI. We really, really appreciate. Thank you so much. I mean,
Thank
I
you.
hope you guys picked some AI tools that he was mentioning. Like, I mean, it's like we are real AI users here, man. We are really, really good at it. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you
All
very much.
right. Right. So I'm going to be answering some of our questions. Um, before the we'll just take one more guest and then we'll call it a day. Our time is fast spent. I'm going to be answering some of our questions, right? Um, if you still have a couple of questions, you can drop it in the comments or on the Telegram channel. Please, if you're not on the Telegram channel, why? You should be on the Telegram channel. That's where we give you like updates, insights. Like there will be no day you go by without actually learning one or two new things about AI. I'm going to be checking through the comments. Okay, I got this one. My question is, how can someone extend the result of ChatGPT? Because I noticed that ChatGPT only give answer in one page. It does not give answer in one page. I must confess, it helped me through my final year in school. What I do is the prompt. Everything relies on the prompt. So what I do is I tell ChatGPT what to do as an expert, number one, and then I go ahead to ask it the details. I go ahead to ask it the details of what I want it to generate. Like generate as this in final year project in the topic, generate this in 1,000 words. I used to put the number of words I want. And even if it generates like a short um write off, I'll be like, can you make it more detailed, please? That's what I used to use. Like, can you make it more details, please? Um, that's how I actually make it generate as much more words as I want, right? I saw one. Can I upload? How can I upload documents on ChatGPT? Except you're using the premium version, I just think you can copy and paste your documents, not that you upload it. You can copy and paste, and you can copy and paste your document, and then to be honest, I must confess, I hope my lecturer is not seeing this. There are some times that I get stuck in some analytics and I just copy my table and say, please derive so and so on ChatGPT. Sometimes like I that's it actually helps in a way, but I would advise everyone to solely depend on it. You need to seek other reference to. How do you get citations? It actually can generate citations for you. To be honest, it can actually generate citations for you. To be honest, it can actually generate citations, and there are other AI tools too. Please, I want you guys to keep updated with our YouTube videos because we are going to help you. It seems like now we can actually focus a bit more on using AI for work and academics, right? So stay tuned. We are going to create more content on how, yeah, sometimes the citations might be wrong, of course. That's why I'm saying you shouldn't 100% depend on it. You need like a professional to actually see what you've done, because that's what I did for my work to be good, because I had to correct some things. So don't rely on it 100%. So we are going to be creating content on how we can use AI in terms of all this that you've been asking, how we can use it in different aspects too. Stay tuned for it. And I don't know if you anyone saw a video that we made, how we can actually chat with our PDF. How we can actually chat with our PDF. If you use AI, you use the it's actually chatpdf.com. So you upload your documents, and if you don't want to read everything and you have an area of concentration, you can just type what are these, and then it's going to bring out that aspect of the PDF for you, and you're going to learn. It's like just asking yourself the question, like asking let me say someone else that have read it, so that you can assimilate better. That actually helps. Chatpdf.com actually. That actually helps. Okay, let me look for more questions. Look for more questions. Um More questions. Right. We will soon come to the end of this event. I'm still going to ask like a couple of questions, and then you guys should the first right answer after our text on the chat live chat will be the winner. Okay. Um yeah, I've answered after generating, how do you get citation? Okay, I think I've answered that too. Don't totally rely on ChatGPT. That is correct. That is correct. Um Also, if you have been listening correctly throughout this live, I have another question for you. There is a significant thing that was stated when asking ChatGPT for prompts. When you want to generate a right answer for ChatGPT, what do you ask ChatGPT to be? That's the question. What do you ask ChatGPT to be? There was something I mentioned when you want to put a prompt on ChatGPT. I mentioned a statement that you ask ChatGPT to be something. What do you ask ChatGPT to be? I'm not giving options. It will be too easy. It will be too easy. I stated it like three times. Three times. When you are asking ChatGPT something, what do you ask ChatGPT to be? What do you ask? It's simple. It's simple. There is no option. Oh, we got the winner. Yes, to be yes, we got a winner, another winner, our number two winner. Yay! We asked ChatGPT to be an expert. That's the answer. You guys, you guys should not disappoint me. I thought no one will actually get it. I'm so proud. I am very, very proud. We have our second winner. Hope you are noticing that. We have our second winner. Yay. Okay. Um, you guys' comments are making me laugh. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, I'm still waiting for more questions. Yeah, Messi actually won. Messi actually won. Okay, I'm waiting for your questions. So the third question I have, the third question I have. All right. Um. So the third question I have is from what we have discussed, right? I mentioned Okay, you guys are making me laugh with your comments. All right, I mentioned that um there is a prominent change like AI job replacement that has been very very surprising to me. And I mentioned it. I described the AI job and I described the AI replacement. If you have been if you have been listening, if you have been listening, you would know. If you have been listening, you would know. I said there is a prominent AI job replacement. There's a prominent AI job. There is a prominent job that has been replaced with AI, and I described the job that how the job was done before, and Mr. Casey also described it. We spoke about it. So you just have to mention the job description. That's it. So there are other job replacement, of course, but there is one that was like I was really shocked and it was really really unfortunate. So I await your answer. I I was cooking soup when you said that one. Really? Oh, okay. This is funny. I mentioned it. I even described how it is. Like Mr. Casey even explained how we can use that technology in a better way now. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Who will go home with this one? Who will go home with this one? Who will go home with this one? I mentioned it though. You guys should not disappoint me. You guys should not disappoint me. After this one, we just have one more question and that'll be the end of our event. Till the next event, of course. Hopefully. No. I know I mentioned customer service, but it was not customer service. It was not customer service. I've not seen correct answer. I mentioned it vividly. I mentioned it vividly. You guys should not disappoint me, oh. It is not customer service. I know we describe customer service, CSR, but I mentioned that there is a prominent one that actually was unfortunate because those guys actually collect a lot of money for that before, and now we just have a tool that we can use from anywhere. Let me give you a hint. Casey said a farmer uses it. Casey said a farmer uses it. The question is, I mentioned a particular AI, a particular job that has been replaced with AI, and these guys collect big money before, but now it has been used. It has been used. It has been taken over by. I think I saw the right answer. I think I saw the right answer. I think we have the third winner, right? Yes, we have the third winner. Yay! Yes, it's drone technology. All right. Please, if you are one of the winners, we would like you to send a DM to our Instagram. That is at Appsolute. We will even post a flyer with your name on it and your prizes. So contact us as with proof, of course, that you won. So I have one final question. Hmm. Who will be the, who will be the winner? Who will be the winner? Who will be the winner? So I have one final question. Hmm. All right. If you guys have been following, Someone came up and spoke about an AI tool, and everybody was asking for the name of the AI, right? Her name is Miss Timitope, of course. She spoke about the AI tool, and everyone was asking about it. And she sent it on the chat box. This is a very, very simple question. So, what is the name of the two AI she gave references to? The two AI, the fastest finger. She made reference to two AI tools. So, what are the names? Ah, okay, okay, okay. There are two she made mention of. You have to make mention of the two. All right, we have a winner. We have our fourth winner already. Three. We have our fourth winner. Yay! Congratulations to all the winner. We would we would notify you. I'm going to make mentions of the name of our winners. You guys should stay tuned to the next event so that you would also go home with some prizes. Um, the names of our winners. um I'm coming. I'm going to announce it. So if you get your name, please send us a DM on our Instagram stating that you won, and then we are going to give you your prizes. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining this meeting. I hope you really learned a lot. I hope we really learned a lot. And it does not end here. We are going to be giving you top-notch information. Don't worry, we are here for you. We are going to be giving you top-notch information on so many AI tools that is going to help you very well. So if you guys should follow us on all our social media platforms and stay tuned for updates. You can also turn on post notifications. Post notifications, right? And all right. No, that is we've exhausted our questions for this event, right? We've exhausted our questions for this event. So the names of our winners. Please hold on. Our technical team is working on it. We are waiting before we leave. Please don't leave. Please don't leave. Someone is asking. I should ask question of Baba reasoning. Wow. Three, three, three. Okay. All right. I think the first winner we had was Damilola. I think so. Yes, because I remember I saw it from here. The first response we got, that was the question was, what do you ask ChatGPT to be? That's you ask ChatGPT to be an expert. Number two, Messiatu, right? And number three, Michael. Michael what? Michael Olugbenga is number three. Don't worry, we are going to announce your name on our Instagram platform, so check it out. Number three. Then number four is Bobby Ayomide. So let's stay tuned for the next update, and I really hope this was beneficial for you. So I have to go now. I have to go, but I'm not going. You'll see me on Instagram giving you updates, right? All right. Take care and goodbye. All right. Goodbye, everyone.